My name's Emma Courson, and my grant project is working on season extension on the green roof garden. Like there's not a whole lot of green roofs around here, and then I haven't seen a lot of people in other places doing season extension on a green roof, and so we're just kind of curious like how that would work, and would that increase our yields of vegetables and during the colder months, and then how that would I guess if that would help us like grow more food for campus kitchens. So it's like a big experiment. So the main group that's helping me with the project is the Athens Urban Food Collective class, and they're a really great group. They've been like helping with everything from like transplanting the seedlings and planting seeds, and we worked on building like the season extension over the raised beds, and they helped put drip irrigation in. They're a really cool group. It's been a lot of fun to get to work with so many different volunteers that come up there, and you can meet new people and just get to share like knowledge about plants and composting, and it's just a lot of fun. It's like work parties are the best.